Pictory AI is a tool that lets you quickly and easily create videos. Today, I'll show you how to save 20% off of any Pictory plan with my discount code Kimberly20. With this code, you'll continually get 20% off for the lifetime of your Pictory subscription. To get started, click the link in the description below. That will bring you to this screen where you can click this button and start a free trial. Simply enter your name, email, and a password. No credit card is required for this step. Pictory will send a verification code to your email address. Once you enter the verification code, you'll arrive at the Pictory homepage. You'll see in this corner that your free trial has been activated. To apply the code, click the upgrade button and you'll see the different subscription plans. These are the annual plans at the time of this recording, but you can get monthly plans for only a few dollars more. All of the plans give you access to Storyblocks, one of the top video asset libraries on the market today. Normally, Storyblocks costs around $30 per month, so the Pictory starter plan at $19 per month is a pretty good deal. But let's say you wanted to create even more videos, plus go beyond the standard AI voices and get hyper-realistic voices from 11 Labs. In that case, you might choose the professional plan by hitting this Buy Now button. Here's where you type in the coupon code Kimberly20 and hit Apply. Instantly, you'll see the discount applied for a savings of over $93. This same discount will be automatically applied whenever your plan renews. Pictory includes high-quality AI voice narration, subtitles and captions, and the ability to instantly resize your content for YouTube, vertical shorts, and other social media platforms. Plus, you'll gain access to a massive number of video clips that you can use royalty-free. Pictory provides over 3 million high-quality video clips and images from Storyblocks, one of the top asset libraries in the market today. This alone is a huge value because the Storyblocks subscription normally costs about $30 a month, and you get access to all of them with Pictory. So click the link in the description below and use the code Kimberly20 when you check out.